activities from dismantling machines, refurbishing parts and refurbishing machines for sale. So the used parts business is running since 2014. It's been established in Bruntingthorpe here since June 2017. The concept was to try and give accident damaged, end of life machines, burnouts a second life, try and sort of re-enter those components back into the business, recycle and reuse. So to date, we've dismantled about 90 machines, ranging from accident damage machines to burnouts to machines that are end of life. So a real mix match. As part of our dismantling program, we also carry out our own in-house refurbishment of certain components, and that's been taking place for about the last three and a half years. Anything that's left over once we've dismantled the machine, the steel scrap is segregated to make sure that we're splitting the different types of metal into the different bins. Any plastics are then sent for recycling. The same with any old tyres, rubber tracks, anything like that. I would say one of the most common parts and what people ask for a lot, we supply partially refurbished engine. So it will contain all new components inside the engine, but some of the components on the outside will still be used. We carry out a lot of repairs on engines. We carry out repairs to buckets. We refurbish different links, some of our loading shovels. The list is endless, to be fair. I think the benefit is that we offer something slightly different. The major impact for some of our customers is it's financially affordable for them. Yeah, if you're going to have a 10-year-old machine, you're not likely to put a brand new engine in it if you had an engine failure. Yeah, you're more likely to use one of our partially refurbished engines. Yeah. Looking at the moment around 3,000 lines of stock. It fluctuates every day, depending on what's coming in and obviously what's going out, but we keep a really comprehensive stock. Probably one of I would say the largest used parts business in GB for Volvo construction equipment.